Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable ID.me verification for Medicare enrollment step by step clearly. To enable ID.me verification for Medicare enrollment, start by visiting the ID.me website. On the home page, look for the Sign Up or Create Account option. Click on it to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. After entering your information, click on the Create Account button. Check your email for a verification link from ID.me. Open the email and click on the link to verify your address. It will redirect you back to the ID.me website. Next, log in with your newly created credentials. Once logged in, you'll be guided to begin the identity verification process. Select the option that best describes your verification needs. ID.me will require you to upload a valid form of identification. Acceptable documents include a driver's license, state ID, or passport. Follow on-screen prompts to take clear photos of your document. Ensure that all details are visible and legible. Submit your identification for review. ID.me will verify your information, which may take a few minutes. Once verified, you will receive a confirmation message. Now, return to the Medicare enrollment website. Log in or create an account if you haven't already. Follow the prompts to start your Medicare enrollment application. When prompted, select ID.me as your verification method. Your previously verified ID.me account will link to the Medicare system. Continue filling out your Medicare enrollment application. Make sure to review all your information before submission. Finally, submit your application for Medicare enrollment. You will receive a confirmation email regarding your application status. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.